Let us see few more TET questions. Let a equal to x such that x is a vowel, b equal to x such that x is a consonant. Then we need to find out a intersection b. They have given that a is a set of vowels, b is a set of consonants. Then what is a intersection b? 5. This is the answer. This is the another TET question where they have given some data and we need to find the median of the data. How to find the median? First we need to write the sorted order of this. After writing the sorted order, we need to take the middle element. How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers we have. So we will take the middle two elements and find out the mean of those two elements. So first let us write sorted order of the given elements, which is nothing but 22, 23, 25, 26, 29, 31, 34, 35. What are the middle two elements? 26 and 29. So we need to find the mean of these two elements, which is 26 plus 29 by 2, which is equal to 55 by 2, which is 27.5. So this is the answer. This is the another TET question. They have given that 2 power 9 equal to x. We need to find out the value of x, which is straightforward. What is 2 power 9? 512. So this is the answer.